friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a beauty lover, and here on my channel I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, skincare, mid-size fashion, some lifestyle stuff, anything and everything that I think would be beneficial for you. I am a I am a full-time working mama in the corporate world, and I do YouTube and partner with some businesses on the side for my side hustles, all that stuff. So I'm really excited today because I wanted to do a video about a mascara that I came across that is super, super affordable. It is dirt cheap, but it has completely shocked me. And I wanted to share it with you guys because I think I am not in the minority with people trying to look for like a mascara that does all the things. So real quick, just to kind of tell you about what I look for in a mascara, I want something that doesn't flake, doesn't smudge, lasts all day, but gives me big, bold, thick looking lashes. I don't want spidery thin. I don't want stiletto lashes, but I also don't want like short little tarantulas. I want something that's like big, bold, long, all the things. I wanted to check off all those boxes. So I'm very, very picky when it comes to mascara. When I say that I am a mascara fanatic, and that's just what I can hold in my hand. There's more here, and then there's more in my IKEA Alex drawer. So I've tried some mascaras. Let's just say that. So I am going to be doing a series where I come on here and I talk through some of the mascaras that I tried, the good, the bad, the ugly, the pros and cons to each, if I would recommend them, all that stuff. So today is maybe my new favorite mascara of all time, and it is a mascara by Essence. So this is the Lash Without Limits Extreme Lengthening and Volume Mascara. It is a new product on Ulta's website. I don't know if Essence has been purchased or has been selling it for a long time. I'm not sure. It just hit Ulta's website and I was like, okay, wait a minute. It's extreme lengthening and volume. Let me go ahead and give it a try. Like I said, if you know Essence, you know it is a super, super affordable brand. So in full transparency, when I first tried this mascara, I did not like it. But I always give mascaras more than one try, and I like to try different techniques with them because different formulations require different techniques. And what I have found is the best way to apply this mascara is to put a coat on. I'll just explain it. So the best way is to put a coat on. So you're gonna go like this and put a light coat on, and you can see here, it does a good job of like separating the lashes. The wand is more like a lengthening wand. So if you look at like at a true volumizing mascara, like this one is City Beauty's Beyond Mascara. You can see here, it's big, bold. That is more consistent with a volumizing mascara. Volumizing versus lengthening. But I don't like volumizing brushes. I like the formulations generally more than lengthening, but I don't like the mascara wands normally because they are sometimes, they're too big for my eyes and it's really, really hard to get my bottom lashes. This one is not like that. This one is a lengthening one. So you can get into the little itty bitty nick and corners of your lashes, and you can really use it to kind of separate your lashes, and then you can even do your bottom lashes without it being a huge, big issue because it's small enough and it's super easy to manage. That is my preference, but I understand that, hey, a lot of times the volumizing mascaras, that's what the wand needs to be. So you kind of go in there, and the only thing, I wouldn't say it takes a long time. Usually what I'm doing is I'll do one eye and then the next eye and then the next eye, and then I'm able to do it maybe less than 2 minutes. So it's not like it's a cumbersome process, but I just want to show you guys the difference on one eye. Then I kind of go in and I keep doing it. And I find that if you apply one layer, let it dry, apply the next layer, let it dry, you can build it up to the intensity that you want without it clumping. The first time I did it, I was just going layer after layer after layer after layer, and it was glooping up together. My lashes were starting to the formulation was just like sucking them together. So I had like weird like specks and stuff. And I was like, what is this? But then I tried it the next day and I did this technique and I was like, holy crap, this is really, really nice. So again, I like big, bold lashes. I just got some on my thing, not a big deal. So I kind of build it up there. And the other thing is, if you do end up getting on your skin like I just did, I just let it dry. And then I go in and I take a Q-tip and I just wipe it off. And it comes off without taking my actual makeup off. So the key is to let it dry. I know some mascaras, even if you let it dry, it will not come off and it's just a whole big thing. This one is super easy. Well, it's not dry yet. Let's let it dry. But that is what I noticed. This is like my not so good eye. If you guys know, your eyes are sisters, not twins. So you always have one that maybe has like less lashes and all that stuff. This is this eye. So probably not the best, best one to do, but for whatever reason, I always go to my right eye because I'm just right-handed and it's like, oh, let me do my right eye first. So I'm gonna let that sit a little bit more. I don't wanna go too crazy, but over around, you can see here, I'm adding the layers. It's not clumping up. It's not flaking. I have noticed, and the only like con that I have noticed is sometimes because the allergies are really bad where I live here in Texas, I have kind of rubbed my eye and I've rubbed the mascara. And when I say a rub, like I'm like getting in there, it has flaked a little bit, not a lot, maybe a couple specks. And then I end up like, I know, okay, well, wait a minute. I just touched my eyes. I need to go in and just look at it. It's not like big, humongous flakes. I have not noticed that if I don't touch my eyes. So if I don't touch my eyes, normal day wear, it doesn't do anything. But if I go in there and, which to me is normal. Like if you're going in there and like aggressively itching your eye, then it makes sense that some of the product would fall off. So that doesn't bother me as much, but it could be a deterrent for some people. So like the key is just don't touch your eyes. Take some allergy medicine, don't touch your eyes. So I'm just gonna go in here and build it up a little bit more. And as you can see here, I don't know what layer I'm on, but it's not clumping up. And I'm just kind of building now up to the volume that I want for this. So you can see. Really, really easy. Absolutely love it. I am just completely shook. This was my favorite mascara. This is the City Beauty Beyond Mascara. I loved it, but it has a big wand. So it is a little bit harder to do like the bottom lashes and all that stuff, but it's also $35. Now, this one does have a serum in it that's supposed to help grow your lashes. I use a serum on the side, so I can't really attest to whether or not this actually works. But this is, I want to say it's like $5.99 or something. I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember. Super, super, super affordable. So if you're looking for a great mascara that is super affordable, easy to get your hands on, it builds up, it volumizes, but it also lengthens and separates your eyes, then this is it. Amazing. Super cool. I give it a 9 out of 10. I would give it a 10 out of 10 if it didn't do that flaking if you touch it. But like I said, and it's not like I'm like accidentally brushing it. That's not where I see the flakiness. It's like when I'm going in and I'm like, so I anticipate that. Okay, so this is both sides. It is amazing. I love it, love it, love it. As I'm losing my voice. But again, if you're looking for a super affordable, easy to get your hands on, good mascara, definitely try this one because I think it is definitely worth the money and then more. I think it's become my new favorite mascara. So leave your comments down below. If you've tried this mascara, let other viewers know if you liked it or not. Obviously, this is just my opinion, but I would love to know if other people have tried this and what you guys thought. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Until next time, bye.